Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about introduction of Indian economy with MCQ, especially for UGC NET in economics. We will see introduction about all these important topics like economic growth in India, pattern, structure of growth, challenges, policy response in case of agriculture, industry and service sector, rural and urban development, foreign trade, infrastructure development, reform in land, labor and capital market, central state financial relationship, finance commission of India, poverty, inequality and unemployment. So let's start it. Economic growth in India. We can see economic growth in India through sector of Indian economy. Sector of Indian economy divided into three parts: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary sector also known as agricultural sector. Occupation of primary sector include farming, oil and gas extraction, fishing, mining, logging, hunting and forestry. India's primary sector currently account for approximately 18 to 20% of country's GDP. Major source of employment supporting around 40% of population. But primary sector contribution in GDP going in downward trend because India is shifting towards secondary and tertiary sector. Indian primary sector experiencing renewed growth within 4.4% expansion in fiscal year from 2020 to 25 after a slower fiscal year from 2023 to 24. Secondary sector also known as manufacturing sector. Fiscal year from 2025 to 26, secondary sector like manufacturing, construction, electricity, gas and water supply shows strong performance. Manufacturing sector grew by 7.7%, construction sector grew by 7.6% at constant price. This sector contribute in GDP approximately 28.7% of total gross value added at constant price in fiscal year 2024 to 25. Tertiary sector also known as service sector. Service sector contribute about 55% to India's total GVA. After slowdown during a pandemic, service sector average growth rate from fiscal year 2023 to fiscal year 2025 increased around 8.3%. India's share in global service export is also growing with 12.8% between April to November in fiscal year 2025. Major tertiary sector in India economy are information technology, financial services, tourism, along with essential services like healthcare and education. Policy responses in case of agriculture sector. What do you mean by policy responses? Policy responses means deliberate action like some schemes, laws which government make in order to improve performance of these sector. First of all, we will see policy responses in case of agriculture sector. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. This scheme provides eligible landlord farmer with annual direct income support of 6,000 rupees in 3 equal installment. Kisan Credit Card Scheme offer concessional short-term credit up to 3 lakh rupees at interest rate of 4% for timely repayment. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhyan Yojana provide monthly pension of 3,000 rupees after farmer attain age of 60. Similar, government make Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, market intervention scheme and price support scheme for agriculture sector. Policy responses for secondary sector. Make in India program. This program was launched in 2014. And aim of this program transform India into global manufacturing designer hub, increasing sector share of GDP 25% by 2023. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan announced in 2020, and this mission focus on promoting domestic industries. Similar production linked incentive scheme for micro, small and medium enterprise, PM Gati Shakti National Plan, which was launched in October 2021. Policy responses for tertiary sector, or you can say that policy responses for service sector. Government of India is promoting service sector through Digital India. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana also provides support to service sector by giving training for specific service oriented job role. Set up India program also supports service sector. Goods and services tax, or you can say GST, also beneficial for service sector. Ayushman Bharat digital mission also promotes service sector. Government of India boosting foreign direct investment in service sector. Rural development, key issues and challenges: poverty, inequality, unemployment, agriculture stress, inadequate infrastructure, poor health and education facilities, social inequality and gender disparity. Latest program on rural development in India, Rural Prosperity and Resilience Program, which was announced in Union Budget 2025 to 26 and presented on February 1st, 2025, and this program focused on skill, investment and technology. According to July 2025 survey, which was done by National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, found 39.6% of household in rural area report their income is rising from past many years, and 76.6 household report their consumption is rising from past many years. Urban development, key issues and challenges: not proper infrastructure, shortage of housing, environmental degradation, financial problem, poverty, unemployment. Latest news about urban development in India are: first National Urban Conclave was launched in 31st October 2023. Date of upcoming National Urban Conclave is 8 to 9 November 2025. Main objective of National Urban Conclave here: urban planning authorities and experts discuss about urban issue and plan so many things for urban development. Urban Challenge Fund was part of Union Budget in 2025 to 26. Two new phases of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana was launched in 2024. First is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0 and new phase is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. Foreign trade. We already know what is foreign trade: export, import, balance of payment, favorable balance of payment, unfavorable balance of payment. We have already studied about all these things in macroeconomics. Now we will see some latest information about foreign trade. Export growth. India's merchandise export grew by 2.31% in April, from April to August in 2025 as compared to same period in 2024. Key export sector including engineering, electronics, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, electronic, tea, textile shows impressive growth rate from April to August in 2025. India is 7th largest exporter of commercial service globally, with service export growing by 27% in 2023. And for 2023 foreign trade policy aim to increase export $2 trillion by 2023. Now we will see some latest information about infrastructure development, land reform and labor market in India. Union Budget 2025 to 26 increased capital investment outlay for infrastructure to rate 11.21 lakh crore, which is 3.1% of our GDP. Land reform, Digital India program, land record modernization program, unique land parcel identification number, Swamittav scheme. Labor market, total employment rose to 64.33 crore in 2023 to 24 from 47.5 crore in 2017 to 18. Overall unemployment reduced from 6.0% in 2017 to 18, 3.2 in 2023 to 24, plus youth employment increase and female participation also increase in labor market. Financial relationship between central and state government are defined in Constitution Article 268 to 293. It shows the division of taxing power, distribution of revenue and financial transfer like grant between central and state government. Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act, which was passed on 2003 and came into effect on July 5, 2004, and latest and major amendment on this act was introduced in 2018 based on recommendation of N.K. Singh committee. Now we will see some basic questions. Green Revolution in India was launched in, our right answer is 1965. Which state is largest producer of wheat in India? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of wheat in India. Who is known as father of Indian green revolution? Our right answer is M.S. Swaminathan. Which is following is known as golden fiber? Our right option is C. Jute is known as a golden fiber. At the time of India's independence, which of two industries were backbone of Indian economy? Our right option is cotton, textile and jute industry. This is all about today's video. Coming days I will make a video on each topic with detail and with some more MCQ. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye. Take care.